Have you ever been at the airport, holding your passport, hearing announcements all around you, and suddenly realized you weren't sure how to respond in English? For many learners, airports are one of the most stressful places to speak.
That's because everything happens quickly. People expect short answers, clear responses, and fast decisions. When English isn't your first language, that pressure can feel overwhelming.
In today's video, we'll guide you through the entire airport experience, step by step, using calm, natural English that you can actually use when you travel.
This conversation will help you feel more confident, understand what people are saying, and respond without freezing or overthinking.
Before we begin, my name is Anna.
And I'm Leo. If you enjoy learning English through realistic, everyday conversations, please like this video and subscribe to the English Talk channel. Your support helps us continue creating practical lessons for English learners around the world.
All right, let's start our journey at the airport. It's early in the morning, and I've just arrived at the airport for an international flight. I take a moment to check the departure screen, make sure I'm at the right terminal, and then walk toward the airline check-in counters.
Good morning. May I see your passport and travel documents, please?
Of course, here they are.
Thank you. Where are you flying today?
I'm flying to New York with a layover in Chicago along the way.
All right. And how many bags will you be checking?
Just one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Sure,
The weight looks fine, so there won't be any extra charges.
that's a relief.
Here's your boarding pass. Boarding starts at 9:20 and your gate is 34B.
Gate 34B at 9:20.
Your seat is 22A and overhead bin space is available.
Great, thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight.
Now I'll head to security.
Passports and boarding pass.
Here you go.
Liquids and electronics in the bin. Shoes off. Laptop in a separate bin.
All right.
Step forward. You're clear.
Thank you. After security, I notice I have plenty of time before boarding. I decide to get something warm to drink and a small snack.
Hi there. What can I get started for you?
Hi, I'd like a medium latte, please.
Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot would be great.
Anything to eat with that.
I'll take a croissant as well. Warm, please.
Good choice. That'll be $8.75.
Here you are.
Thanks. Your order will be ready in just a moment.
I appreciate it. After eating, I want to freshen up before heading to the gate. Excuse me, could you tell me where the restroom is?
Sure, walk straight ahead and turn left. It's next to the food court.
That's helpful, thank you.
Anytime.
I arrive at gate 34B and find a seat near the window. Around me, people are reading, listening to music, or checking their phones.
Excuse me, is anyone sitting here?
No, that seat is free.
Thanks. Long day of travel ahead?
It is, but I try to stay relaxed. How about you?
Same here. I usually download a few movies and try to sleep.
That sounds like a good plan. Flying feels easier when you're prepared.
We now invite passengers in Group A to begin boarding at gate 34B.
That's my group. Looks like it's time to line up.
Safe travels.
Thanks. Enjoy your flight too.
Good morning. May I see your boarding pass?
Here it is.
Thank you. Your seat is 22A on the left side of the aircraft.
Perfect. Thanks for letting me know.
Overhead bins are filling up, but there's still space nearby.
I'll keep that in mind. I place my carry-on in the overhead compartment and settle into my seat by the window.
Hi there. Would you mind if I put my backpack up there as well?
Go ahead, there's room.
Thanks. I appreciate that.
No problem at all.
Are you traveling for work or for vacation?
A bit of both, actually. I'll be working for a few days and then visiting friends.
That sounds like a nice balance. Mixing work with a little personal time usually makes the trip more enjoyable.
I agree. It helps me stay motivated when I know I'll have some time to relax afterward. What about you? Are you traveling for work or just for fun?
Mostly for work this time. I have a few meetings scheduled, but I'm hoping to explore the city in the evenings if my schedule allows.
That's understandable.
Even short walks or a nice dinner can make a business trip feel less exhausting. Is this your first time visiting New York?
I've been there once before, but it was a long time ago. A lot has probably changed since then.
That tends to happen there. Every time I visit, it feels a little different.
That's part of what makes it interesting.
It really does. Looks like we'll be taking off soon.
Yeah, I'm gonna sit back and relax.
Same here. Have a good flight.
You too.
Quick vocabulary tip before we finish. Earlier, I mentioned a layover. A layover is a short stop in another city before reaching your final destination.
Layover. If that word feels new, try repeating it slowly.
Layover.
Nicely said.
And that brings us to the end of today's airport conversation.
We hope this lesson helped you feel more calm and more prepared for real airport situations.
Remember, clear and simple English is more than enough when you travel.
If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to the English Talk channel.
Thank you for practicing with us today.
Safe travels, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.